Hi, I'm Hasim, a full-time professional video editor with over 6 years of experience. I specialize in creating high-quality, engaging videos that help brands and creators stand out. I work with industry standard tools like Adobe Premiere Pro, Adobe After Effects. Sometimes I use DaVinci Resolve for color grading and color correction, and along with the latest AI powered tools to deliver modern and impactful results. I'm someone who truly loves learning something new things and constantly improving my skills, so you always get fresh updated editing styles. I started my journey from very basic resources and built everything through hard work, which is why I value every project and give my 100% to it. For me, video editing is not just work. I do it with full dedication, creativity and honesty. I always focus on understanding my client's vision and turning it into something powerful and professional. If you are looking for a reliable editor who cares about quality and detail, so I'm here to help. Let's create something amazing together.